Today, I'll show you how to add a free SSL certificate to a subdomain on Cloudflare. First, make sure your main domain is already added to Cloudflare and using Cloudflare name servers. Once that is done, log into your Cloudflare account and select the domain where you want to create or secure the subdomain. From the left side menu, open DNS, then go to Records. Now check if your subdomain already has a DNS record. For example, if your subdomain is blog.yourdomain.com, you should see a record for blog. If the record does not exist yet, click Add Record. Choose the correct record type. Most websites use an A record if the subdomain points to an IP address, or a CNAME record if it points to another hostname. In the name field, enter only the subdomain part. For example, enter blog, not the full domain. Then enter the correct IP address or target hostname for your website. Before saving, make sure the proxy status is turned on. The cloud icon should be orange, which means the subdomain is proxied through Cloudflare. Now click Save. Next, go to SSL/TLS from the left side menu. Under Overview, choose the SSL mode that matches your setup. For most websites, full is recommended if your hosting already has an SSL certificate installed. If your hosting does not have SSL yet, you may use flexible, but full is usually safer and better. Cloudflare automatically provides free universal SSL for proxied domains and subdomains, so you normally do not need to manually create a certificate. To check it, open SSL/TLS, then go to Edge Certificates. Make sure Universal SSL is enabled. Cloudflare may take a few minutes to issue or activate the certificate. After that, open your browser and visit your subdomain using HTTPS. For example, type https://blog.yourdomain.com. If the page loads with a padlock icon, your free SSL certificate is working. And that's it. You've successfully added a free SSL certificate to a subdomain on Cloudflare. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.